Rajiv Kumar has now given a warning to all the members of political parties and poll candidates against making any disrespectful remarks against women, saying that these can invite a reprimand from the Election Commission and also a direction to file a criminal case. However, he also clarified that action by EC against such remarks will only start January 7 onwards. Now, this is because the Model Code of Conduct has come into force only on Tuesday with the announcement of assembly polls in Delhi. When asked about the alleged objectionable remarks of netas like, for example, BJP candidate from Kalkaji Ramesh Piduri against Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, the CEC also said that he, in general, strongly condemns any degrading remarks against women, highlighting that EC guidelines in this regard are very strict. He's also said that the Election Commission will not allow anybody to make such remarks against women.
कोई विमेन के बारे में कुछ बोल देता है, वी विल बी वेरी वेरी हार्श. अगर किसी ने भी, दिस इज अवर वार्निंग टू दी, मतलब इतना आवेश में ना आए कि महिलाओं के खिलाफ कोई गलत निकल जाए, शायद बच्चों को इस्तेमाल कर लें. विल बी रियली हार्श ऑन देम. दिस इज आवर रिक्वेस्ट विथ फोल्डेड हैंड्स दैट कैंपेन का स्तर ऐसे ना गिराएं जो नॉर्मल वोटर थोड़ा डिस्करेज हो जाए. लेट्स कीप दैट शालीनता इन माइंड. We'll be very, very strict with this. We have set up our teams and directed everyone to be checking the inducements, if any. DOs and district magistrates and the ROs will ensure two things in particular, amongst many.
In fact, yesterday the Chief Election Commissioner had said that actions of this sort, unnecessary remarks on women as well as the use of children in the election campaign will be taken cognizance of by the Election Commission. In fact, strict action will also be taken against the political leaders involved in making these remarks. Now, what remains to be seen is what will be done by these parties in the month to the poll dates, because remember, a number of times there have been leaders who either in the spur of the moment or while reading rallies end up saying comments that are in fact not quite parliamentary and have been taken offense of in the past as well. So it remains to be seen what action will be taken.